Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to add funds on the StockNote Web. Open your StockNote Web and log in with your client ID, password and year of birth. There are two ways to add funds. The first way is from the dashboard. Click on the rupee symbol. Now, on the pop-up window, click on the Transfer Funds button. You will be redirected to the payment gateway where you need to select the segment, bank name and enter the amount that you wish to transfer and then click on the Submit button. On your net banking page, enter your bank credentials and confirm your transaction. Now, you can see the transferred funds in your Samco account. Alternatively, you can add funds into your account by clicking on the drop-down option, select Account Settings and then click on the Add Funds button. And that's how you can add funds on the StockNote Web. If you have any queries, then contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support/ticket. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.